we are at Monal today.
Let's look at mine. Chicken nugget fries, small burger, some brownies, and my spaghetti.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
lovely. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, we are at Monal today and we are going to show you the view and we are going to order food. We are going to show all of this whole place and you can come here too. If you enjoyed the first video, go and like and subscribe and watch it till the end. And we are going to drive my helicopter.
And where is it?
It's on my table.
What's that behind you? Slide.
Yeah.
Look at this. Can you play that?
No. Is that a piano?
Yeah. It's, oh, he's gonna play. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I'll show you the view. Come.
Can you show me the view from that side?
Yeah.
Come on.
We have car racing in Islamabad F1 and come, I'll show you the view from the top place. We have VR. I'm gonna play that.
Where's the VR?
Yeah, it's at the first place when we are going to play VR too.
That way. Up. What you order?
We ordered a kids meal. I think I will get some fries. My mom ordered, but I don't know what do they order.
We're gonna show it.
Yeah, we are going to show it and eat it.
See what? You like?
Look at that view. So that's the racing. There's ice cream. My mom's favorite, corn.
What's your favorite?
Ice cream.
Oh,
You get ice cream right there. And I think those are Slurpees and ice pops. We have cotton candy. We got really cool things. And that's the hotel.
that's the restaurant main building.
We have shops. This is the parking area. Behind me you can see there's a village. And look at the view. We have mountains. Look at this view. And guys, we found a monkey. We're going to show that clip too. Don't worry, we are going to show that clip. We found a monkey. It's a red butt monkey. His butt is red. Okay. His name is Jeffrey. I called him Jeffrey.
He got blurted out. I think he came from that tree.
Yeah.
He came from the
थोड़ा
tree.
आगे होना इधर तो इधर थोड़ा और
His house is the tree. He lives in the house. Why?
नागर ना कुछ गुस्से में है।
So many.
Oh yeah. So in the meanwhile, look at that beautiful view.
Yeah, we are going to play this game.
What is this?
Tank.
Oh, that's the VI you're talking about?
Yeah, it's right in the start. It's for me is 250.
And adults 300, isn't it? Alright, I'm gonna spend that money. Alright, let's go.
Let's go. I think our food is here. Yes.
Yeah, that's the beautiful view of Monal.
Yeah, that's good. If you didn't watch the first video, go and watch it. We were at the
You're
mall
not getting so many subscribers. What's wrong with you?
because we are not uploading videos.
Alright, I will try that.
We upload a video, I think, when it's a whole month.
In a week.
Yeah,
Once in a week.
yeah, once in a week. We upload one video. If we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will upload videos every day for you guys. We'll do that. We promise. If we get 1,000 subscribers. That's a good view. We got flowers. Are they fake?
What's your thought? You like it?
Yeah, I like this place. Yeah, it's good. Look, come here. We got, don't be close to another person. Coronavirus, don't touch other people. Stay away. Wash your hands. No kiss, no eye contact, and no smells. And Corona, only wear your mask. Let's go.
Mine. Maria's.
Let's
do you
look at
got?
mine. Chicken nugget fries, small burger, some brownies, and my spaghetti.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
lovely. Okay, let's enjoy the food.
Yeah. These nuggets are very good.